Regular Nabe, Vegan Nabe.
Yeah. Hello, people of the world. This is Jason is Lost in the set, I suppose we'll call it, with the cool new lights that you're all helping pay for. Thank you very much. So today is a little bit different, a little bit special. We've actually been planning this Japan Day for quite a while. Basically, we're going to be cooking a load of homemade Japanese food. So Japanese fried chicken, karaage. We're going to be making nabe, takoyaki. We're also going to be making vegan versions of everything as well. You'll get to hang out with my friends again. So I actually live with Donovan and Sanj and Tyrion. So the gang that you saw in my videos before, we're going to hang out with them again. And we're going to be chilling out and playing some board games as well. So we'll give you a teaser of the board games that we're playing. If you like them, maybe we'll put them in the channel in the future. But yeah, so we're just going to hang out and have some fun. I should be wearing something a little bit more appropriate, I think. Yes, the Snorlax onesie. Probably a pretty small demographic, the Deftones fans that like wearing onesies, but you're my gang. So let's go downstairs. Sanj, you getting up? Alright, let's just say he's not up yet. It just reminds me of Japan.
I know.
Making one.
Trying.
They hot.
Right, so what are we doing here? Well, it all started with this. You might have seen in one of my previous videos picking up this package. We've got a lot of Akakara sauce. This is pretty much our favourite restaurant in Tokyo. They do like a spicy Korean style nabe, a twist on the usual Japanese nabe. And it's gorgeous. We loved it. We thought we'd get loads and bring it back so we get to experience it here. And to do it just right, we've got a proper pot. And we even bought one of these, a proper gas cooker, and we also got one of these. This is a takoyaki pan. This goes straight on top of the gas cooker and should cook up pretty well. So we've got all the mixture, all the octopus, everything. And we just figured, well, while we're doing all this, let's see what else we can cook. So we're gonna have a bit of fun. What do you think of your vegan takoyaki, man?
Whoa, okay, that's probably enough.
Pretty good!
Really, really hot though.
You making one?
Yeah, it doesn't matter that it's tofu, it's lovely. That's so good. So no pressure, Tyrion. The Japanese bear. Kuma trying to give the takoyaki a go.
Ooh, that's a lucky dip one.
What, the 2 bits of octopus?
Yeah, whoever gets that one's lucky. I think it was just easier when we just popped it all in the middle and then redistributed it.
Nah, it's better this way.
But in an izakaya, Japanese like tavern pop-up, traditional clubhouse, drink as much as you want, and that's fucking food. You roll out of there.
Yeah, man. He's looking pretty good.
Is there anyone you'd like to thank, Jason?
Tyrion did a really good job of... No, because it sounds like, what's the word?
What's the word?
Patronising you when you did do all the work.
So Jason's an expert roller.
No, this is expert roller. Tyrion, me and you will go into business. You'll do the mix and all the hard work, and I'll just come in at the end. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Yeah, man. Sandra, trying.
They hot. Why did you put the whole thing in your mouth?
You know the hot you
Because you want to record the work while
Alright, let's try this second batch. It just reminds me of Japan.
No.
It's like spot on.
I've got the batter right now.
And it looks so good as well.
I've got the batter right, so now it just lifts.
Regular nabe,
No.
vegan nabe.
Okay.
Regular nabe, vegan nabe.
Yeah. Alright, this is what we've all been waiting for. This is our nabe, our akakara nabe. We've made a regular one with sukune, like chicken meatballs and some chicken and other stuff in there, gyoza. And we've made a vegan one as well, which has some tofu in, meat replacement stuff. And I've got a very special gift for my friends here because I saved the akakara chopstick hashi holders. And so let's tuck in. Okay, so this is Akakara, literally our favourite restaurant in Japan. It's like a hot pot, spicy Korean. What the hell are you doing, man? It's like a spicy hot pot of meat and vegetables and spiciness, and I'm so pleased that we actually got it just like the restaurant. Chicken and carrots and cabbage and gyoza. Could be a little bit spicier, but it's actually just like the restaurant. I'm really, really pleased.
Right, I'm fat in flying fruits.
Right, so this is Munchkin. This is a game with elves and warriors and dragons, and everyone's putting curses on each other. And all you got to do is, it sounds simple, all you got to do is make your way up the board, trying to take out the goblins and the bad guys, but then everyone starts sabotaging each other and backstabbing people or putting curses on each other. So it looks really fun, but you don't usually get past the first couple of levels because everyone's dying. Alright, so that's our Japan day. We've eaten, the board game's been going on for a while, so I think we're going to call it a night soon, but it wouldn't be a proper Japan day without our Sapporo Snow Festival style mulled wine and Disaronno. So cheers everyone. Cheers. Whee. Cheers. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
We're in the Nabe Club. Do 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 do. We're in the Nabe Club.